If you spent enough time around Nissan, Honda, or other popular import project cars, then you've definitely have experienced lug conversions. And while it might seem like an appearance modification to some, lug swaps have become one of the most popular upgrades across a huge range of type of cars that you and I love. Everything from Japanese icons to Fox body Mustangs, classic GM trucks, mini trucks, and even Porsches. So today, let's break down why lug conversions actually make a lot of sense, why they're worth doing, and why so many platforms really benefit from them. The process is exactly what it sounds like, changing the number, or sometimes the pattern, of the wheel studs on your vehicle's hubs. The most common example is converting from a 4-lug setup to a 5-lug, but you'll also see changes in bolt pattern sizes depending on the application. It's not about looks alone. In many cases, it's more about access, strength, and performance. Okay, so let's start with the most obvious benefit and the one that lures people in, and that's wheel options. 4-lug wheels used to be used everywhere. These days, though, the aftermarket heavily favors 5-lug patterns, as that is the direction most vehicle manufacturers have taken over the years. That means you get more styles and way more spec options when you're running 5-lugs. Going 5-lug instantly opens the door to a few benefits, including wider wheels, better offsets, modern designs, OEM wheel swaps for high-end platforms, and sometimes cross-platform options. Instead of hunting for a rare, outdated 4-lug wheel that lacks modern-day technology, you suddenly have access to an entire global catalog.
Oh my goodness.
All right, braking. Now this is where the lug swapping really starts to make sense from a performance standpoint. Many factory 4-lug setups were designed for economy cars or base model trucks. That means smaller rotors, tiny calipers, and limited aftermarket support. By moving up to a more performance-minded setup, you can often bolt on larger OEM brakes for another platform, run thicker rotors, upgrade to multi-piston calipers, and improve overall stopping power and heat resistance. This is very common for cross-platform builds, for example using modern Mustang brakes on classic Fox bodies, Nissan Z brakes on early S-chassis cars, or up-to-date Toyota parts on older mini trucks. You're not reinventing the wheel, you're borrowing proven factory engineering while improving an older chassis. More lugs usually means better load distribution. So for performance driving, drifting, track days, and even hauling and towing, 5-lug setups are generally stronger than the 4-lug counterparts. That means they can handle higher corner loads, larger and heavier wheels and tires, more aggressive driving. This is the reason why manufacturers moved away from the 4-lug designs over time. As power, grip, and vehicle weight has increased from the factory, stronger hub designs became necessary. Another underrated benefit is parts availability. 5-lug hubs, bearings, brake components, and wheels are everywhere. That means easier replacement parts, cheaper long-term maintenance, better aftermarket support. Older platforms really benefit from this as parts are getting harder to source. This serves as yet another option to modernize the performance and safety of a classic car or truck. If your car is stock and driven casually, you may not need it. But once you start adding substantial power or putting the car to work on the track, a lug conversion becomes one of the smartest upgrades you can do. And if you're working on a project car with big plans for the future, it might be a good time to explore your options, especially if you're upgrading brakes anyway, struggling to find wheels that look and fit correctly, need stronger hubs or larger axles for performance use, or if you're in the middle of a suspension overhaul. Lug swapping is not about chasing trends, it's about unlocking options that include more wheel choices, better braking, more parts availability, and overall improving your build's performance. That's why it's been common practice for the Nissan and Honda world for decades, and why it continues to make sense for a host of other vehicle platforms. If you're building a car with the future in mind, sometimes the smartest upgrade starts right at the hubs. For videos like this one, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is Luis from KONIG Wheels, and thank you for tuning in.